Today we are standing outside Kvibergs Market, one of the biggest markets in Gothenburg. And we will walk around, see what we can find in here. It's supposed to be the cheapest market in Gothenburg. So yeah. Yeah, this market is quite interesting. A lot of people comes here during the weekdays, Saturday and Sundays. Over 10,000 people will do the market day with me. And yeah, you see here, Kvibergs Market in Sweden, Gothenburg. So join me for market day in Sweden. So you can find crepes for $1 US. Normally costs $3 US. So it's quite cheap, but today have everything here. Oh, eggs for $8 US. And of course a lot of clothes. Everything here. So and you can fix everything, I think. Like I'm going to show you that you can fix your mobile phone here if you have a broken mobile phone. And yeah, now we are walking outside, so it's not only an inside market, it's also outside as well. So yeah, it's every Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, this I think is the closest thing that you get an experience of a real market. Now we are going into the next room, or the next. Yeah, here you can fix your mobile phone. I think this is the meat market. Another place you can fix your mobile phone as well. Yeah, I don't think there will be a lot of interaction in this video. Yeah. So if you, you can buy shoes, new shoes. But there's supposed to be a lot of pickpockets here, so it's also part of the experience maybe. You have the signs everywhere saying, watch out for pickpockers. So now we're going into the next building. So it's 3 buildings, I think. Yeah. But they're all selling the same stuff, I think. Hey, hey. Hello. Det var länge sedan. Jo, nu är jag bilden.
Det var ju det live eller?
Nej, inte live. Det kommer vara på YouTube sen.
Ja. Följ mig på TikTok, okej?
Okej.
Vad heter YouTube-kanalen?
Kebab.
Oj, oj, oj. Kolla på den.
Okej, tack. Ja, inte interaction.
kan köpa 5 kronor.
5 kronor. Yeah, so it was interaction. It was good. I love when it's interaction in the video. What you see, you can buy everything. Yes. Yeah, I think this was the whole market actually. So, yep. I think I will buy some nuts or something. The only thing I need is nuts. Hummus maybe. I want hummus, but I did not see any hummus. But yeah, it's a good market because you can buy everything for cheap prices here. So during the inflation in Sweden, it's a good place to go here to buy food, clothes, yeah, everything. So yeah, you can buy like a falafel for $5 US. Very good, very good, very good. Hey, hey.
Eller du kan fråga på konstigt.
So, yeah, this room maybe I must be here. Yeah, you too. Yeah, not a lot of meat, but yeah, you can buy meat here as well. You can go to the Hey. Yep.
Swedish.
Ja, Swish. Okej. Vart har du vilket? Ja, där. Var det, hur mycket var det?
31.
Ja.
Det är YouTube-channel.
Ja, YouTube. Så.
Ja, tack så mycket.
Ja, varsågod. Some nuts, ketchup nuts for $3 US. Quite good price. Thanks for watching. Now I'm finish up with a chicken kebab. For $6 US. Really good one. So see you in the next video somewhere in Gothenburg. Cheers. Everything. Oh, sorry.